Philips Hue accidentally revealed their new Flourish table lamp on Amazon, and this leak tells us more about the future of smart lighting than any official announcement ever could. But before you rush to buy one, there's a compatibility trap that could leave you with a $200 paperweight. And most people won't see it coming. Let me show you what leaked, what it means, and exactly what you need before any of it works. Here's what happened. Amazon Germany, France, and Spain briefly listed an updated Hue Flourish lamp before Philips pulled the pages. On the outside, it looks identical, that paper lantern design with the creased glass sphere. But inside, that's where things get interesting. The new version jumps from 806 lumens to 1,100 lumens, a 36% brightness increase. And more importantly, it adds matter over thread instead of just Zigbee and Bluetooth like the old model. If thread sounds boring, here's the simple version. Right now, most smart devices fight for attention on your Wi-Fi router like a chaotic family dinner. Thread creates a separate private network where devices talk directly to each other. It's faster, more reliable, and uses way less power, which sounds perfect. Until you hit the missing piece that Philips doesn't put on the box. And without it, this lamp literally can't connect to anything. Hold that thought, because at around $200, the Flourish already feels expensive, especially when you realize it basically a fancy glass shade with a normal Hue 27 bulb inside. You could buy a $20 IKEA Fado, screw in the same Hue bulb, and save yourself almost $100. So why is Philips doing this? Because the Flourish isn't really a lamp, it's a network node. Signify, the company behind Philips Hue and Wiz, has certified over 600 Matter devices. They're splitting their strategy. WIZ targets budget buyers with Matter over Wi-Fi. Philips Hue is pushing premium gear with Matter over Thread. And Flourish is one of their first lamps to jump. Here's why that matters. Thread isn't just wireless, it's a mesh network. Every powered device becomes a repeater. So that lamp in your living room, just lighting the room, it's strengthening your entire smart home. Your lock, sensors, thermostat upstairs, all benefit. That's why people get weirdly excited about thread lamps. But now we circle back to the trap. To use any Matter over Thread device, you need a Thread border router. It's the bridge between your Thread network and your phone or internet. Without it, your fancy new lamp can't talk to anything. The good news, you might already own one, HomePod Mini. Apple TV 4K, 2021 Plus. Google Nest Hub. Many Amazon Echo speakers. But, and this part burns people, not every model works. The cheaper Apple TV 4K. No thread. The original HomePod? No thread. Your Hue Bridge? Also no thread. That one surprises a lot of people. Your Hue Bridge only exposes Zigbee lights to Matter over Wi-Fi. It does not create a thread network. So if you buy a Thread Hue bulb without a border router, you're stuck using Bluetooth, which defeats the whole point. Before you buy anything Thread, check what you already own. If you're deep in Apple with a HomePod Mini or Apple TV, you're golden. If you're on Android without a Nest Hub or Echo, you'll need to buy a router first. Some people even add cheap thread plugs just to strengthen coverage, because more nodes equals faster, more reliable response. Now, here's where things get spicy. Philips isn't alone. IKEA just announced they're bringing Matter to their cult favorite Warmblix donut lamp for about $100, half the price of Flourish. They're also selling $10 matter over thread bulbs. $10. You could build a better thread backbone with IKEA gear than with one Hue lamp. And that's why the Flourish price starts looking shaky. If you just want smart lighting, thread isn't always necessary. Lincoln sells matter over Wi-Fi bulbs for around $7.50 in multi-packs. No hub, instant setup. Lift's new everyday line starts on Wi-Fi and adds thread later with updates, which is actually smart for beginners. Here's my simple action plan. First, check if you already own a thread border router. Second, decide between thread and Wi-Fi. Thread is better for sensors and locks. Wi-Fi is fine for always powered bulbs. But there's a budget reality people ignore. Most home routers handle 20 to 50 devices before things get messy. Cheap routers struggle even sooner. Thread networks handle 200+ devices easily because they don't touch your Wi-Fi bandwidth. So if you're building a big smart home, Wi-Fi chokes, thread doesn't. If you're just adding a few lights, Wi-Fi is simpler. So, should you buy the Flourish? Honestly, no. At $200, the math doesn't work. The bulb inside is the same one you can buy for about $60. Put that in a $20 IKEA Fadu, and you get the same 1,100 lumen thread lamp for around $80. Same brightness. Same network benefit. Way less money. Unless you absolutely love the Flourish design, you're paying for glass, not technology. And the real winner here? IKEA. Cheap thread bulbs. No proprietary hubs. Matter out of the box. With IKEA, LIFX, and Philips all pushing thread in 2026, the industry has decided where smart lighting is going. The only question left is your home ready for it? If this helped, hit subscribe and tell me your own smart home hacks, especially budget ones like the IKEA Fadu trick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.